DJ rockin' anthem, yo, Sonic the Hedgehog, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, Sonic the Hedgehog, he is awesome in a lot of ways, yeah. You cannot out-top Sonic, yeah. Sonic is the awesomest. Yeah, Sonic is the awesomest. All of his adventures are awesome. Sonic is the best, and you cannot outrun him. He is awesome, awesome. 'Cause Sonic is the best. He is running at the speed of sound. He has places to go. He's following the rainbow of life. The rainbow of life. He is following his destined dreams to be the best. See that he just did all the things you cannot do. He is fast, faster than you, faster than the speed of sound. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sorry if he's sucky to you, but he's not to me. He's sucky to you, but he's not to anyone else on earth. So don't be mean to the people on earth, 'cause they are nice, the people on earth. So don't be mean to the people on earth, 'cause they, yeah, have feelings just like you. No one else but you think about. So you have to think about, yeah, Sonic the Hedgehog. Yo, he's the best. He's the best in the test. No one can outrun him. No one can do anything. He is the best hedgehog. Sonic speed is the best thing alive. Sonic has never lost in one little battle. If you say Sonic is sucky, I disagree to what you say, yeah. 'Cause Sonic's the best. He is awesome. He is awesome to me, yeah. Do you agree? He is awesome with this 2-minute 50-second song with all that playing, yo, Sonic Blue.